Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Geography Lesson 1, Migration and Urbanization. And we are going to study the meaning, causes and consequence of migration and the types of migration. Migration is defined as a permanent or semi-permanent change of residence of an individual or group of people over a significant distance. So migration means movement of people from one place to another. What does migration means? Migration means movement of people from one place to another is called as migration. UNO defines migration is a form of geographical mobility of population between a geographical unit to another.
Migration can be defined in general by different experts. Migration is one of the most important human activities. People moved from one place to another in search of food. There are number of factors for the migration of human population. The favorable factors which attract people towards a location are called pull factors. Pull factors means which attract the people towards a location. That is called as a pull factors. Push factors means unfavorable factors which make the people to move out from a location. It moves out from a location are called push factor. For example, pull factors means attraction. Pull factors means attraction. Anything that we attract so much, that is called as a pull factors, which attract the people towards a location is known as the pull factors. For example, if you want to build a house, first of all, you may came to know whether that place have abundance of water resources or not. Then you will see whether it is a developing area or not, isn't it? Like that, potential for employment, under population, favorable climate, least hazards prone zones, political security, health care, suitable for education, transport facility, etc. These and all come under pull factors. Push factors means unfavorable factors which makes us to move out from a location. For example, you didn't like Mumbai. but you are employed in a high post there. You may suppose to go there. Here, the place you didn't like, even though you are pushed to go there. So this is called as a push factor. Are you clear, children? Yes. The various causes which are responsible for human migration is characterized under 5 groups. They are ecological or natural cause of migration, economic cause of migration, socio-cultural cause of migration, demographic cause of migration, and political cause of migration. What are they? Ecological or natural cause of migration, economic cause of migration, socio-cultural cause of migration, demographic cause of migration, political cause of migration. Now, ecological cause or natural cause of migration means, that is natural cause. Volcanic eruption, earthquake, flood, drought, these and all come under the natural causes, etc. Isn't it? These events force the people to leave their native place and settle in a new areas. This area free from hazards, pollution, attract the migrants. Availability of water resources. These are natural cause of migration. Coming to economic cause of migration means, economy is a important cause of human migration from one area to another area. Availability of fertile agricultural land, employment opportunities. Important thing is employment opportunities, development of technology, etc. Some of the economic cause of migration. People move from their native place where better employment opportunity are available. Because of employment opportunities also, people move from one area to another area. This is one of the economic cause of migration. Socio-cultural cause of migration means migration of women after marriage. After marriage, women migrate from their native place, and migration associated with pilgrimage. These and all come under socio-cultural migration. Demographic cause of migration means population composition like age, overpopulation, underpopulation are the major cause of migration. Overpopulation is considered as a push factor. Overpopulation is considered as a push factors. We have already said what is called as a push factors and a pull factor, isn't it? What is called as a push factor? Yes, very good. Push factor mean unfavorable. So push not unfavorable means factor. Unfavorable factors. Pull factor mean favorable factors. Underpopulation is a pull factor in the context of migration. And last one is a political cause of migration. Various political causes like colonization, wars, government policies always play an important role in human migration from time to time. War is one of the most significant cause of migration. Thank you, children.